The skies are bleeding, painted red, whispers of smoke where angels tread. The forest screams in tongues of flame, the world on fire, it calls my name. And I can't breathe, the air is thin, the walls are closing in. Wildfires burning through my soul, out of control, losing control. Ashes fall like tears from the sky. Wildfires, we live, we break, we die. Ground is cracking, hearts ignite, love and pain in the dead of night. The heat consumes, but I still stay, drawn to the fire that lights my way. And I can't run, the flames surround, but in the chaos I'm finally found. Wildfires burning through my soul, out of control, losing control. Ashes fall like tears from the sky. Wildfires, we live, we break, we die. Remember, something new can grow, a phoenix rising from below. Through the blaze I'll find the truth, born again in fireproof youth. Wildfires raging in my heart, tearing me down to build a new start. Ashes fall, but